Here's a crispy egg paratha recipe that's easy and perfect for breakfast or lunch savoring food. Crispy egg paratha recipe. Basket ingredients, 2 parathas. For dough, wheat flour atta, 1 cup. Salt a pinch. Water as needed. Oil 1 tsp. For egg mixture, eggs 2. Salt to taste. Red chili powder, a half tsp. Black pepper, a quarter tsp. Green chili, finely chopped, 1 optional. Onion, finely chopped, 2 tablespoon optional. Fresh coriander, 1 tablespoon. For frying, oil or butter as needed. Woman cook method. 1. Prepare dough. Mix flour and salt. Add water gradually and knead into a soft dough. Apply a little oil, cover, and rest for 15 minutes. 2. Prepare egg filling. Beat eggs in a bowl. Add salt, chili powder, pepper, green chili, onion, and coriander. Mix well and set aside. 3. Roll paratha. Divide dough into 2 balls. Roll 1 ball into a medium-sized roti. 4. Cook with egg. Heat a tawa on medium flame. Place roti on hot tawa and cook lightly on one side. Flip it and immediately pour half of the egg mixture on top. Spread evenly. 5. Make it crispy. Flip again so egg side touches the tawa. Drizzle oil butter around edges. Cook on medium-low flame, pressing gently until golden and crispy. Flip once more and cook both sides till crisp. Fork serving suggestions. Serve hot with ketchup, green chutney, or raita. Enjoy with chai. If you want street-style Pakistani egg paratha or extra flaky and crispy tips, tell me.